Differentiation is crucial. In the highly competitive print industry, standing out is vital to business success. Here are some tips on how to differentiate your print shop from the competition. Let's get started with a few ideas to differentiate your print shop. Offer a wider range of services. Consider the different medias that can be printed on without investing in new technology. Reproducing digital images on media like wallpaper, holographic vinyl, posters, canvas, photo paper, and repositionable products like phototext can set you apart. Investing in new technology can also provide the opportunity to differentiate. A small investment in a dye sublimation printer can enable your business to offer a new lineup of products. A larger investment in a flatbed printer can enable your business to pursue an even broader range of clients. Personalize your offerings. Think about adding options to personalize designs to the customer. A little work on the design side can lead to increased profits and stronger customer loyalty. Have a unique selling proposition. Market your unique selling proposition. Maybe it's eco-friendly printing, high-quality printing, fast turnaround times, or excellent customer service. Have something that sets you apart. Invest in local relationships. Building partnerships with local businesses and organizations can help drive referrals and establish a strong reputation in your community. Offer an elevated level of service. Focus on wowing your clients. Many people pay a little more for elevated levels of service, so never forget that. People buy from people and brands they like, so create a brand people are drawn to through a great customer experience. The list goes on. You could offer a user-friendly online ordering process, an updated website, a variety of payment options, an easy way to upload and proof files, and cutting-edge order tracking. Whatever you choose, take it one step at a time. Start small. Maybe pick something that doesn't require a financial investment. These ideas will help differentiate your print shop and position you as a leader in the industry and increase your success. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends, or leave a comment. See you next time.